Dear students, today we are going to see some questions which are given behind the chapter of Inorganic Chemistry semester 6 syllabus. So far we studied two important topics of two different units. First topic is molecular symmetry, that is unit number 1, and second one will be structure of solids, which is of unit number 2. Both chapter, as I said earlier also, that both chapters are very important for examination point of view. Near about in each unit 4 questions out of 6 will be asked on each topic of that of unit number 1, on molecular symmetry and structure of solids. So both topics are very important for examination point of view. Let me see first today that what kind of question will arise in the examinations. We will just overlook on the questions and what will be the probable answer for such questions. So question is first, that is, what is symmetry? Mention the different types of symmetry element with one example each. So here you have to write the definition of symmetry. Symmetry is what any object which bisect into two equal half. So the two equal half will be mirror images of each other. That particular concept is called as symmetry. There are 5 different symmetry elements which are listed, like axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, improper rotational axis, plane of symmetry, and identity. And give one example each, like for axis of symmetry, for example, in ammonia there is a C3 axis. Plane of symmetry, in ammonia there is a C3V plane. So like this you have to give the examples, and every element which possesses a identity as a common symmetry element. So you should know the definition, like what are symmetry element. Symmetry element is a geometrical identity such as a line, a plane, or a point through which we will get the indistinguishable configuration, that is called as symmetry element. Then we saw symmetry operation. Symmetry operation is such operations like rotation and reflection which we need to perform on the given molecule in order to get the particular kind of, or to study the symmetry element. Then plane of symmetry is defined as a plane which bisects the molecules into two equal halves, which are again mirror images of each other. Proper rotational axis, a molecule when passes a imaginary line which rotates the molecule at particular angle theta in order to get the indistinguishable configuration. Then we saw rotation reflection axis. In rotation reflection axis, it is also called as improper rotational axis. Sometimes what happens when molecule is rotated, then you have to do it on its reflection so as to get the indistinguishable configuration or original configuration, called as an improper rotational axis, and doing nothing operation is called as identity. Point group is also important definition, that a collection of all symmetry elements and symmetry operations together to describe a molecule is called as point group. Then sometime question may be asked, like explain the terms involved, like symmetry element and symmetry operations with example. That means suppose you have a symmetry element like identity, then give one example of identity. If you have the plane of symmetry, give one example of plane of symmetry. Same way for symmetry operations. Suppose if you perform a rotation as an operation, then give one example like C3, C2, C1. Or if you perform a reflection, then give the example with suitable with example, like suppose in water there is a uh, operation called as rotation, right? Or if there is a molecule like cis 1,2-dichloroethene, there is a C2 axis as well as there is a plane of symmetry. So that is a reflection. Sometime question may be asked, what is point group? Explain at least any two example. That means point group is what? It is a collection of all symmetry elements and symmetry operations combines together in order to understand the molecular structure. There are different point groups, like basically we have two types of point group. One is called as C-type point group and other is a D-type point group. Now the one class, that is C-type of point group, which contain only a rotational axis like a C axis or CN axis. But in D type of point group you require some special case, like there should be a CN axis, there should be a presence of perpendicular C2 and sigma H plane, only then there will be a D type of point groups. So we have saw 6 different point groups, like C infinity, D infinity, C infinity H, C infinity V. Likewise we have so many point groups. Then give one example each. Every example you have to answer. We also saw another important question, that is, what is an order of group? Give order of ammonia and BCl3 molecule. That means sometime what happen, there are example like ammonia and BCl3, there are like C3V point group and BCl3 having a D3H point group. For understanding both point group you require examples with proper explanation, so you have to answer there accordingly. Sometimes question may be asked, explain the meaning of following symbols with respect to the molecular symmetry. What is C2V, sigma H, SN, I, identity? So you have to answer with examples. Like identity, I is present in a trans 1,2-dichloroethene, SN is present in a benzene ring, sigma H is present also in some time molecular plane. So like this, water having C2V point group. Discuss the constituent of point group with reference to BCl3 molecule. Then this is a very important question for 5 marks. You have to write first structure of BCl3 molecule. It is a planar. In BCl3 molecule you have to first show what are the different types of symmetry elements there, and then what operation you have to perform on that BCl3 molecule. All that you have to mention. Write in detail that these are the point group which are present, these are the symmetry element and symmetry operations which are present in the BCl3 molecule. On the basis of these symmetry elements and symmetry operations, we can conclude that BCl3 molecule having a D3H type of point group. So like this you have to justify the answer. Sometimes question may be asked, like, classify the symmetry operation with suitable example, give symmetry elements associated with them. On the basis of symmetry operation you have to classify different examples. Then discuss point group for linear molecule, like for example H2 molecule which having both ends similar, or HCl molecule where it's two different ends but this molecule is also linear. So for both type HCl as well as in H2 molecule, the point groups are different. So on that you have to answer. But remember, for if the question, if it is asked for 5 marks, then you have to make answer accordingly, because for 5 marks you at least require to write answer in 1 page. Okay. Discuss the point group assigned to ammonia and water molecule and C2V point group, how it comes. Then ammonia having C3V point group, how it comes, that you have to describe there. Then discuss the following point groups by giving suitable examples, like C infinity V, D infinity H, how these point groups arise, and with the help of example you have to write. Very important question, that is filling the blank. Sometimes they may give options or they may not be obvious options, so you should answer or you should prepare on filling in the blanks in such a way that you should know the statement of each and every concept. Symmetry is a link between dash and dash, right? So you have to prepare accordingly. In books they have given all the sets of questions and their answers. So you should prepare. These are just the general questions which you have to understand. Some question may be asked through this example, or some question may be asked in another way also. Okay. Some here in this question you can see there is options they have given. We will see here symmetry operation moves an object into a position with indistinguishable with the original one. You should remember that for final year examination or for 5th semester examination, there will be a question which will be asked like first question will be on multiple